a gift of a silly person, maybe a picture of an apple. Give me a title for that. Give me a caption for that. And I'll use it in my next video with that image of crocheting apple, whatever example it is. So check out my community link. It's on YouTube, and you just go to my channel and you click on community, and that's where you leave your comments. Appreciate it. I think I want to add just a little bit more of black pepper, ground black pepper. Like that. There we go. And I don't do red pepper. It calls for some red peppers, but not in my house. I'll grow them out in the garden, you know, in planters, but I don't eat red pepper. I think they're pretty. But I prefer bell pepper, you know, like not a cayenne, not a hot pepper. So now, from what I understand, you don't cover this cabbage. So I'm going to let it sit, leave it alone, and I will go sit down. Set my timer before I sit down, like it says. Set it for about 3.5, 4 minutes. Just to let this be. And do its own little thing here. So it can go down a little bit. My timer will go for 3, 4 minutes. Well, flip it around and show you who's in the kitchen with me. Say hi, dear. You missed out some cabbage. Are you waiting for the final product? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. He sure is. He's waiting for the final product. You like my tree? Yeah. I love greenery. I don't have very much in the house. That's a live plant. I don't know the name of it. You can name it for me. Leave a comment in the chat section. Well, how's everyone doing this evening? Where are you watching from? Well, thank you. I have 6 likes. I appreciate that. Y'all know I like that like button right there. Well, who else hanging out here? Is it Mimi? Arnell, hello. Thank you for looking. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. It's not just about me here, please. I am making fried cabbage tonight. That's what this live stream is covering. Is cabbage night, fried cabbage night. I want to drop you into this skillet. We would really be in big trouble right there. Because I have a new iPhone. Hello, everyone. Okay. Yes, Arnell. I will, let me see if I can go to that in just a second. I'll get moderator position for you. Just a second. Okay. Are we there? I think. Okay. Did I do something wrong? Let me turn it off.